The rumor mills have been spinning all weekend, and they have been saying that the unruly boss himself, Anja Frost, get boxed up a Hot Mondays in Kingston, Jamaica. But Popcorn just drop a song when him Can't Box Me, refuting every claim that him get boxed up a Hot Mondays. So I'm gonna drop these clips in this video, and also drop my favorite lines from Can't Box Me in this video also, and then I'm gonna come back with the rest of my commentary.
After me go so boom and sing Badman Bumbuckler song, some boy gonna pay a blacker. Pick up on internet, say them this. Me this who pussy. After me go so boom and sing Badman Bumbuckler song, some boy gonna pay a blacker. Pick up on internet, say them this. Me this who pussy. After me go so boom and sing Badman Bumbuckler song, some boy gonna pay a blacker. Pick up on internet, say them this. Me this who pussy.
You black bossy stay police boy from Spring on your MacLeod. Go suck your mother. Batty man. Oh, you black bossy stay police boy from Spring on your MacLeod. Go suck your mother. Bat. You black bossy stay police boy from Spring on your MacLeod. Go suck your mother.
Box me panga dirt, no. Unless me rifle well longer than a standing fan. Bust boy throat like an hole. Niggle in a day, but after one boy, I pray for him life like a Christian. Yeah. Pussy make the news when the news line are down. Aye, you feel no say anyway you see me we dead. See me we dead. If you say you this papi a roof, no pussy can box me panga dirt, no. Unless me blood clot and never.
So they're saying that Popcorn and Anja Frost get boxed up on Hot Mondays by the Gully God crew, and a police officer by the name of McCrowd was the one that actually initiated the brawl that happened in Hot Mondays. So the Gully God and the crew come in, and Jafra stand up in the way, allegedly, and the police boy take Jafra out the way and box him up. So that's what they allegedly claim is that happened. But Popcorn they make with no set in song that no boy can box him unless in hand, not upon him body. And big up to Popcorn for defending himself and actually using his music as an outlet and not bringing it to a physical level, because I'm sure Popcorn have enough yes man around him, and if he says the word for you to say yo done this your boy, done that the boy, done XYZ, I'm sure he have people around him that will actually do it without him raising a finger or without him having to even say the word. Me hope Poppy now really pick up badness pan in head again and pick up the whole clashing warring thing with Gully God again, because as you guys see, the first time he tried that it never got good and he actually done the war abruptly. So me not think Popcorn fi go in this direction again, because it not gonna benefit him financially, it not gonna benefit him at all. And you know Popcorn have been working hard to get his visa, and with all this going on in social media and also him putting out songs like these, I feel like these are the reason why him not getting visa. I feel like Popcorn need to stick to feel good music, stick to the music where him know how to make, and leave all of the bad man gun song them alone. You can drop a bad man and a gun song here and there, but if you drop them back to back like that, me not in a hit. Drop a girl song, drop a ghetto youth song, drop some other else song except the gun song. Especially with the way crime rate is set up in Jamaica, I would rather him not participate in all these foolishness and these foolish songs that are being put out now, because we know Popcorn we are capable of putting out really good music. Up to this day, some of my favorite songs from Popcorn is from the album Where We Come From. And some of my favorite songs from Popcorn is Love You Bad, Everything Nice, Waiting So Long, Cool It, Ghetto, Addicted, Give Thanks, and Where We Come From. So most of my favorite songs from Poppy is not no gunman song or not no killing song. Most of the song that I like from Popcorn is him talking about ghetto youths and talking about him coming from the ghetto and him talking about woman, and quite frankly that song that it alright, you know, hit me as a big bad diss song or something. Popcorn can fling off a Gully God and make him feel threatened. So I don't feel like this is a song that's gonna get Gully God feeling threatened or feeling like he have to defend himself or defend the Gully squad at all. I feel like this is a okay song and Popcorn is just expressing himself musically and his frustrations musically. So I want to see Papi fly out. I want to see Papi take dancehall to a next level, because I feel like he is the one that's going to take dancehall to another level. And when I say take it to another level, I mean like get billboards, get Grammys, get all these things as far as dancehall is concerned. You know him link with Drake, link Stall, so I feel like he have the bucketive to do it, and I feel like him need to just pop out some song, some hot tune with Drake, or drop some girl song, or drop some real ghetto youth song to solidify his name back in dancehall and keep it pushing. Leave the bad man thing out of it, because in our work field, and quite honestly I would rather see him do something else. So comment in the comment section, tell me if you think the song sell off, what you think about it, what you think about the whole Hot Monday situation, and what you think Gully God is going to say. Do you think Gully God is going to drop a diss song for Popcorn and they're going to start the clash all over again? Or do you think